What if the future of AI isn't just incredibly fast, but also completely open, giving you unprecedented power right on your own hardware? Imagine a breakthrough so significant, it reshapes how we think about AI accessibility and performance. Well, that future just arrived. OpenAI, the company behind ChatGPT, has joined forces with NVIDIA, the chip giant, to unleash something truly groundbreaking: the GPT-OSS family of AI models. We are talking about open-source models that push the boundaries of speed and accessibility. At the top of the line, the GPT-OSS 120B model achieves a staggering processing speed of 1.5 million tokens per second. Now, if you are wondering what a token is, think of it as the smallest unit of text an AI understands: a word, a punctuation mark, even a single character. For context, typical large language models like GPT process hundreds or thousands of tokens in their context window. But processing 1.5 million per second? That is like reading an entire library of books in the blink of an eye. This record-breaking speed sets a new standard for open models, giving developers an incredibly powerful and flexible tool. But here is the real game changer. These models, both the massive GPT-OSS 120B and its smaller sibling, GPT-OSS 20B, are completely open and available under the permissive Apache 2.0 license. This means you can use them freely for commercial or research purposes. NVIDIA CEO Jensen Huang puts it perfectly. With the GPT-OSS models, developers everywhere can build on this cutting-edge open-source foundation. Unlike proprietary systems like the versions of GPT you might typically use in the cloud, these open-weight models allow you to run the AI directly on your own hardware. You get the trained parameters, the full brain of the AI, right there, without needing to send your sensitive data to a distant cloud server. This significantly boosts your control over the application, which is crucial for security-critical industries or even for personal privacy. OpenAI CEO Sam Altman really drove this point home, stating that the world can now build on an open AI stack, developed with democratic values, freely accessible, and for the broad benefit of everyone. Now, you might think such powerful models demand supercomputers, but here is where efficiency truly shines. The GPT-OSS 120B, despite its 117 billion total parameters, only actively uses 5.1 billion per token, thanks to a clever mixture of experts architecture that conserves resources. It runs efficiently on just an 80 gigabyte GPU, and the smaller GPT-OSS 20B, it can operate on as little as 16 gigabytes of memory, making it perfect for edge devices. Imagine having a highly capable AI brain running locally on a robust mini PC or a specialized workstation, not just some distant cloud. This capability truly opens up new possibilities for AI deployment in places with limited cloud access, like research labs or government agencies. These models cater to a vast range of users, from individual developers to startups and large corporations. They excel in complex tasks like logical reasoning, using external tools, generating structured outputs, and even writing code. The low latency means you get almost instant responses, which is vital for real-time applications. OpenAI trained these models rigorously, using supervised learning and reinforcement learning from human feedback, ensuring they master complex thought processes and tool use. And for us developers, they even released the O200K_Harmony tokenizer as open source too. You can even adjust the AI's reasoning depth, choosing from low, medium, or high, depending on how much thought a task requires. This flexibility makes them ideal for sophisticated agent-based workflows, where the AI needs to deliberate, use tools, and access structured data in multiple steps. Plus, OpenAI put a huge emphasis on safety, developing a worst-case fine-tuning protocol to test for potential misuse in sensitive areas like biology or cybersecurity. In practical benchmarks, GPT-OSS 120B performs on par with, or even surpasses, some of OpenAI's own closed models like O4, many in areas like competitive mathematics, healthcare, coding, and tool usage. The smaller GPT-OSS 20B also shows impressive results given its minimal hardware requirements. With broad support from platforms like Azure, AWS, and even hardware partners like AMD and Microsoft's ONNX runtime for Windows. These models are ready for prime time. This isn't just another incremental upgrade. It is a seismic shift. OpenAI and NVIDIA have fundamentally changed the landscape, demonstrating that you can have extreme performance and cutting-edge capabilities right alongside the freedom and control of open source. We are stepping into an era where powerful AI is not just for the tech giants, but truly for everyone. What incredible new things will you create when you hold this kind of power in your hands? We are excited to find out.